Now we are going to learn about fourth lesson safety, subject social science standard 3. In this lesson we are going to learn about the safety measures to avoid accidents. Different types of safety we learn here. Fire safety, road safety, water safety and electrical safety. Safety. What is safety? Staying away from danger is called safety. Dear student, our life is very precious and important in our day-to-day life. Accidents may occur in home, school, road and other places. We have to be cautious to protect ourselves from dangers. We can be safe by knowing the safety measures and following them. Do you all know the reasons why accidents take place? Urgency, negligence, lack of awareness, violation of rules, lack of formal training, not following safety measures. These are the following reasons which causes accidents. In our lives, there are accidents caused by fire, water, vehicles, electricity, toxic organisms, sharp weapons, pesticides and etc. So we should be safe from this accident. First we know about fire safety. Dear students, already know fire is the man's marvelous creation. Fire can create and destroy the things. Fire is used in many ways in our everyday life. We should handle it carefully. Reasons for fire accidents. Fire accidents can occur in the following ways. Crackers and explosives, electrical short circuit, leakage in gas cylinders, highly inflammable things like kerosene. Precautions to avoid fire accidents. We should handle the highly inflammable things carefully. The person who cooks can wear cotton clothes. We should close the cylinder valve after cooking. Don't play with fire. What to do during a fire accident? Use fire extinguisher. Cover your mouth and nose with wet cloth. When the smoke spreads, use a sock to put up the fire. When it spreads over the body of someone, bring the person to any airy place. To inform any fire accident, dial 101. Next one, water safety. Water is very important in our daily life. If you violate the safety rules while bathing in lake, river, waterfalls and sea, accidents will occur. Precautions. We should not go alone to bath in water bodies. Do not step into the stagnant pond. Do not go beyond the danger zone. We have to wear life jacket when we travel in water. Now we learn about electrical safety. Electricity has become a necessity for our lives. It is used in houses, factories and other workplaces. Accidents occur when we use it carelessly. Precautions. Don't touch switch with wet hand. You should not touch switches with wet hands because it will lead to the electrical accident or you will get shock. Dear student, don't touch switch box. Don't touch electrical appliances when it is on. When it is switched on, you should not touch that. Don't insert stick into the switch box. In the switch box holes, you should not insert any stick or anything into that. Don't insert stick in the switch box. Don't go near electrical post during raining. During any rainy time, you should not go near the electrical post or transformer, which may pass electricity in your body. which will cause damage or any issues. Dear student, don't go near electrical post during rainy time. Don't climb on electrical post. So these are all things about the electrical safety that you have cared before any accident. Now we learn about choose the correct answer from the bracket. So first one, if touch it will be hot, if left it will burn. What is it? Does fire. Second one, I use it every day. I see it during rainy day. What is it? Does water. Third one, I spread through lines, but I am not a climber. I help to clothe the bulbs. Who am I? Does electricity. Fourth one, he does not have legs. Who slithers and wanders in jungles? Who is he? Does snake. Fifth one, the one who stands on the road and guides us has three eyes of three colors. Who is he? Does traffic light. Second Roman letter, write true or false. First one, we should not play in the kitchen. True. Second one, we can go to the deep part of the river to bath. False. Third one, never touch the electrical appliances with wet hand. True. Fourth one, we should keep the house and surroundings clean. True. Fifth one, we can play with glassware. False. Third Roman letter, answer the following questions. First one, write some factors that can cause accidents. Answer first one, urgency. Second one, carelessness. Third one, violation of rules. Second question, what should we do if our clothes catch fire? Answer, first one, use a sock to put off the fire. Second one, drop down and roll on the ground. Third question, how should we protect ourselves from accidents caused by electricity? Answer, first one, do not touch electrical appliances with wet hand. Second one, do not touch electrical appliances when switched on. Fourth one, where should we cross the road? Answer, we should cross the road at zebra crossing. Fifth one, mention the names of some toxic organisms. Answer, first one, snake, spider, wasp, scorpion. Thank you.